Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everybody, myself Rahul Mishra and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Entries. Student, in this video I have taken SBI PO 2019 pre-reasoning memory based paper. In this video I have discussed the most important blood relation question, okay, plus floor based arrangement question, plus alphanumeric series question, plus few miscellaneous question. So this video will be very beneficial for your upcoming SBI PO pre-2020 examination. So do check out this video completely. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So students, now we will solve question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5 is from the chapter blood relation. Okay, now the question is 8 persons Arushi, Babli, Charan, Dinkar, Edward, Fancy, Gani and Hari consists of a family of 3 generations such that there are 3 females and 2 married couples in the family. So in total we have 3 females. For females I will use negative sign. So the remaining 5 person will be male. Okay, and we have 3 generation and we have 2 married couples in this family. Now for every person of the family, either both or none of the parents are alive. So it simply means any person is not having single parent. If any person is having parent, it means he or she should have mother and father, both are alive. Okay, now let's start the question. Charan's sister-in-law is a mother of Gani. See, one most important thing which I am going to tell you right now, that is, do not assume gender. Do not assume gender by name unless it is specified. So do not assume gender. This is key point of blood relation. Now Charan's sister-in-law is a mother of Gani. So what do you mean by sister-in-law? Sister-in-law means brother's wife or wife's sister. Both the cases are possible. Okay, now Hari is unmarried female, so Hari is a female. So someone's thought Hari name is for male, but here it is given female, so we have to take Hari as a female only. Now Gani's mother does not have any sibling. See, who is Gani's mother? Gani's mother is Charan's sister-in-law. So it simply means that Gani's mother will be Charan's brother's wife, because Gani's mother don't have any sibling. Okay, so let's make the family tree. Suppose there is Gani and upside will go his mother or her mother, and if anybody is having parent, then both the person should be alive. So his father will also be there or her father will also be there, and this person will be the sibling of Charan. Now who is Charan? Charan can be male or female, depends upon the condition which will be left. Now we have plotted these two lines completely. Arushi is father-in-law of Fancy, who is mother of 2 children. So Fancy is a mother of 2 children and Arushi is the father-in-law of Fancy. So according to this condition, where should Fancy go? Fancy will be the mother of Gani. How I can say this? Because it is given to us that both of the parents should alive. Any person don't have single parent. So that is why Fancy will become the mother of Gani and Arushi will become the father-in-law of Fancy. Okay, here Arushi will come. Arushi will be the father of Fancy's husband, and if Arushi is the father, then Arushi wife must also be there, because any person is not having single parent. Okay, now what is the gender of Gani? That we will see later, but we will not assume. Now Babli is grandmother of Gani, so here Babli will come. Who is nephew of Dinkar? So how it is possible to make Gani as a nephew of Dinkar? So Dinkar will be sibling of Charan and this person. Okay, and Gani is a nephew and one person is left, that is Hari. Hari is unmarried female. So Hari will become the sibling of Gani. Why? Because Fancy is a mother of two children. So Hari will become female. Now how many females we have? We have three females. 1, 2 and 3. So the remaining person will automatically become male. Now one person is left which I need to plot over here. That is Edward. So at this point Edward will come. So this is our complete family tree. This question is tricky and this question can be only solved by using this point. Okay, otherwise lot of students will get confused while solving this kind of questions. Now we will solve the question based on it. Okay, so question number 1, how is Hari related to Arushi? Okay, so Hari is over here and Arushi is over here, so we can say that Hari is granddaughter of Arushi. So the correct answer is option number C. Now question number 2, how is Dinkar related to Hari? So Dinkar is uncle of Hari. So correct answer should be uncle, option number D. How many children does Arushi have? Arushi have 1, 2 and 3. 3 children. So option number D. Now question number 4. If Vani is Dinkar's daughter, then how is Fancy related to Vani? So Vani is Dinkar's daughter, so Vani should go downside to Dinkar. Okay. And Vani is the daughter of Dinkar. Then how is Fancy related to Vani? Then Fancy will become aunt of Vani. Why? Because Edward is an uncle of Vani and Edward's wife is Fancy. That is why Fancy will become aunt. So option number C. Now question number 5. How is Edward related to Hari? Edward is the father of Hari. Okay. So correct answer is option number C. I hope it is clear, students. So now students, we will solve question number 6 to 9. Question number 6 to 9 is P, Q, R, S, T and V lives on different floors in the same building having 6 floors, numbered 1 to 6. Ground floor is number 1 and above it number 2 and so on till topmost floor is numbered 6. Okay. So this is floor based puzzle, but we have to first fix the floors. Okay. So total number of floors are 6. So we have to fix 6 floors. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so just fix these floors and after that we will start solving the puzzle. Now Q lives on the even numbered floor. So there are 3 possibilities for Q, that is Q can be on 6, 4 and second floor. So we will make it footnote, Q can be on 6, 4 or second floor. Now only 2 people lives between the floors on which Q and V lives. So between Q and V there are 2 persons. So V can go upside to Q, Q can go downside to V. Okay, S lives on the floor which is immediately above the floor on which R lives. Okay, so just above R S is living. They both are immediate neighbor. Okay, S does not live on odd numbered floor. So it means that S should live on even floor, that is on 6, 4 and second. P does not live on the floor which is immediately above or immediately below the floor on which T lives. So it simply means T is not an immediate neighbor of P. Okay. Now P does not live on the lowermost floor, that is on the floor 1. So P is blocked on floor 1. Now we have to pick the condition one by one and start solving the puzzle. Now first we can start with Q's. Okay, so let us assume Q is on the 6th floor. Between Q and V there are 2 persons and S is also on even number floor and just below S R is there. So this condition satisfies over here, that is S will be on second and R will be on the first. Now the next condition can be Q on 4th floor, 1 and 2 we can be on the first floor, 1 and 2 we cannot be on the 6th floor. Okay, now this condition implies on 6th and 5th floor. Okay, S and R will be on 6th and 5th floor. And the last condition is Q can be on the 2nd floor, 1 and 2 we can be on 5th and S can be on 4th and R can be on 3rd. Now we need to put T and P. Okay, so in first case these 2 places are left only, so T and P cannot be the immediate neighbor. Okay, because of this condition, so this case is eliminated. So same condition applies in case number 2 as well. Only these two places are left for T and P, and T and P cannot be the immediate neighbor. So again this condition gets eliminated. Now the last condition, that is P is blocked on first floor. We know this. So here T will come and on the top P will go. So this is the correct answer. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve the questions. Who amongst the following lives on the floor number 5? So on floor number 5, V is living. So correct answer is option number D. Now question number 7. On which of the following floors does T lives? So T lives on the first floor. So option number C. Now question number 8. How many people lives on the floor above the floor on which P lives? So above P there is no person living. So correct answer is none. Option number A. Now question number 9. Who among the following lives on the floor exactly between the floors on which Q and V lives? So between Q and V, S and R are living. Okay. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you students. So now student, we will solve question number 10 to 12. Question number 10 to 12 is from the chapter alphanumeric series. Okay. So the question number 10. How many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a vowel? Okay, so just after consonant, vowel must be there, but not immediately preceded by a number. So before consonant, number should not be there. So this should be the pattern. Okay, so how we can solve it? We have to first pick the consonant. So consonant is N. Just after consonant, vowel is there. Yes, and just before consonant, there is no number. So this is the one consonant, okay, which is following this pattern. So we got N. Now R is a consonant. Just after R, symbol is there, but we need vowel. So this is not following the pattern. Okay. F is a consonant. Just after F, number is there, but we need vowel. So again, this is not following the pattern. D is also not following the pattern. From G, just after G, vowel is there, and just before G, number is also not there. So G is following the same pattern. So the next consonant is G. F is consonant. Just after F, again consonant. So this is not following the pattern. Now similarly with H, just after H, symbol is there. Now L is a consonant. Just after L, number is there. So it is not following the pattern. A is a vowel. Vowel we need not to find out. Okay. So B is a consonant. Just after B, Y is there, but we need vowel. So we have got only two consonant which is following the same pattern. So correct answer is option number B. I hope it is clear. Now we will move to next question. Okay. So the question is, how many such consonant are there in the above arrangement? Again we need to find out the consonant, each of which is immediately preceded by a vowel. So just before consonant, vowel must be there, or immediately followed by a symbol, but not both. Okay, so first case can be just before consonant, vowel can be there, or next case can be just after consonant, symbol must be there. Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out either of these two conditions, but they do not exist together. So what we can do, we can focus on consonants. Okay, so N is a consonant. Just after consonant, symbol must be there. Symbol is not there. Just before consonant, vowel must be there. So vowel is not there. So this is not following the pattern. E is a vowel. So just after vowel, consonant must be there. Again, it is not following the pattern. R is a consonant. Just after consonant, symbol is there. Yes, it is following the pattern. F is a consonant. After F, number, and before F, symbol. So F is not following the pattern. Again, D is also not following the pattern. Now G, just before G, symbol is there. Okay, but we need symbol after consonant. So again, it is not following the pattern. I is a vowel. Just after vowel, consonant must be there. So this is not following the pattern. F is a consonant. Just after consonant, symbol must be there. No. And before consonant, vowel must be there. No. H is a consonant. Okay. After H, symbol is there. So this is following the pattern. Okay. L is a consonant. It is preceded and followed by numbers from both the sides. So it is not following the pattern. A is a vowel. After vowel there is a symbol, but we need consonant, so it is not following the pattern. B is a consonant. Just after B, symbol must be there, but it is not there. Y is a consonant. Just after Y, symbol must be there, so it is following the pattern. So how many consonant we have got? R, H and Y. Y means 3 consonant we have got. So correct answer is option number D. So now question number 12. Which of the following is 8th to the left of 16th from the left hand in the given arrangement? See student, whenever the question is about same side, means left or right, we have to take the difference between the both and we will find the correct answer. Okay, so what we have to do? 16th left minus 8th left. What should be the correct answer? 8 from the left element. So left side starts from S. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th element is 9th, which is from the left. So correct answer is option number A. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, now so question number 13. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word D case, each of which has as many letters between them in the word in both forward and backward direction as they have between them in English alphabetical series? Okay, so how to solve this kind of question? First you have to write down the word which is given to you, that is DK. DECAYS, D case. After that what you have to do? You have to write down each and every letter's place value. So 4, 5, 3, 1, 25 and 19. Now you have to start counting in ascending order. By picking the place values of every alphabet, you have to start counting in ascending order. If the number you pronounce comes, it will make the pair. Look at how. From D to S, it is known as forward direction. Okay. From S to D, it is known as backward direction. I have already explained clearly these type of questions in my previous video, so do check it out. Now I will start from 4. Okay, so after 4, 5 must come. So 4 and 5 will make a pair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After this, there is no other pair from D. Now we have to start from E. E is 5, then 4, 5, 6, 7. No, from E it is not making any pair. From C, C is 3, then 4, 5, 6. No, from C also it is not making any pair in the forward direction. 1, 2 and 3, no. 25 and 19, no. So from forward direction I get only one pair, that is D and E. This is from forward. Now I have to count from backward. Start with S. S is 19, then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. No, the number I am pronouncing is not there. Now I have to start with Y. Y is 25. After 25, 26. Then there are no other number. Then 1 is there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 4 is there. 1 is there. Then 2, 3 and 4. Yes, the number I have pronounced is present. That is why A and D will make a pair. Okay, so one pair is A and D from backward direction. Okay, now 3 is there. 4, 5. No, 5 is there. 5 after 5, 6 must be there. So 6 is not there. So I have got only two pair, that is D and E and A and D. So the correct answer of this question is 2. That is option number B. So now students, we will solve question number 14. This is the last question of this video. So the question is, in a row of students in a class, position of Andrew from the left side of the row is 32. Okay, so Andrew position from the left end is given to us, that is 32, and the position of Andrew from the right side of the row is 41. So Andrew position from the right is also given to us, that is 41. Find the total number of students in the row. So we need to find out the total number of students in a row. So whenever the single person position from the both the end is given, that is in this case Andrew position is given from the both the end. So what we have to do, we have to apply the simple formula to find out the total number of person. That is total equal to left plus right rank of that particular person minus 1. So 32 plus 41 minus 1. So 32 plus 41 will give us 73. 73 minus 1 will give us 72. So correct answer of this question is option number B, that is 72. Okay, thank you very much, student. We have completed our today's session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.